Hi class, in lesson 8.1 you will be learning about relationships between quantities. Learning targets for today, you will predict the next term in a sequence and write numerical and algebraic expressions. Key terms to look for in 8.1, sequence and term. Please turn to page 532, problem 1, building trains. Josh likes building trains out of train parts. Each train car needs 4 wheels. Josh begins by building a train with 1 car, then 2 cars, and finally 3 cars as shown. Please answer number 1 with your group members. For number 1, Josh will need 16 wheels to build a train with 4 cars, and he will need 20 wheels to build a train with 5 cars. A sequence is a pattern involving an ordered arrangement of numbers, geometric figures, letters, or other objects. The number of train cars and the number of wheels needed form sequences of numbers. Please answer number 2 with your group members. For number 2, using Josh's train cars, the sequence for the number of cars would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the sequence for the number of wheels would be 4, 8, 12, 16. Please turn to page 533. Each number of cars in the first sequence and each number of wheels in the second sequence form the terms or members of the sequence. A term is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. The first term is the first object or number in the sequence. The second term is the second object or number in the sequence, and so on. Please answer 3, 4, and 5 with your group members. For number 3, the first term in the second sequence for the number of wheels is 4. For number 4, the fifth term in the first sequence for the number of cars would be 5. For number 5, the 2 quantities that change are the number of cars and the number of wheels. Please answer number 6, 7, and 8 with your group members. For number 6, you can just keep adding 4 to the total of 20 wheels. Each time that you add another car, you can add 4 to that total number of wheels. For number 7, remembering that multiplication is repeated addition, you can multiply the number of cars by 4 to calculate the total number of wheels. So for number 8, your algebraic expression, you can write 4n. Please turn to page 534. Number 9, Josh would like to add more trains to his collection. The cost of each car is $8. Please answer letters A, B, and C with your group members. For number 9, letter A, the sequence for the cost of the cars would be $8, $16, $24, $32, and $40. For letter B, the math process is going to be addition that is repeated. You're going to add 8 to the sum each time in order to determine the cost of each new set of cars. And for letter C, the variable quantities in this problem situation that are changing are the number of cars to purchase and the cost in dollars to buy the cars. Please answer letters D, E, and F with your group members. For letter D, the cost of each train car remains constant at $8 per car. Letter E, the total cost of the cars depends on how many cars will be purchased. And for letter F, your algebraic expression for the total cost would be 8 times n, or 8 times the number of cars. And when you rewrite your first 5 terms of the sequence, you will get the same answer as letter A. The cost of the cars will be $8, $16, $24, $32, and $40. Please turn to page 535, problem 2, parts of algebraic expressions. As you learned previously, an algebraic expression contains at least one variable and sometimes numbers and operations. A term of an algebraic expression is a number, variable, or product of numbers and variables. Consider the expression 3x plus 4y minus 7. The expression has 3 terms. The first term is 3 multiplied by the variable x. The second term is 4 multiplied by the variable y, and the third term is a constant term of 7. The first operation is addition, and the second operation is subtraction. Please turn to page 536. Number 1, let's consider two algebraic expressions, 8 plus 5x and 8 minus 5x. Please answer letters A through E with your group members. For number 1, letter A, each algebraic expression has two terms. B, the first expression contains addition and the second expression contains subtraction. Letter C, the terms are the same in both expressions. The first term is 8 and the second term is 5x. For letter D, the number of terms and the terms themselves are the same. And for letter E, the operations are different. Please answer number 2, letters A through C with your group members. For number 2, letter A, there are two terms, 4 and 3x. Letter B, 3 terms, 4a, 9, and 3a. And for letter C, there are 4 terms, 7b, 9x, 3a, and 12. Please turn to page 537 and answer number 3, letters A through F with your group members. For number 6, letter A, the algebraic expression 60t. Letter B, $1.60 times n. Letter C, 12 divided by F. Letter D, 145 minus D. Letter E, 125 divided by P. Letter F, 35x plus 75y. And letter G, 6.25x plus 8.75. Please turn to page 538 and answer number 4, letters A through H with your group members. For number 4, letter A, the algebraic expression n divided by 7, B, n plus 3, C, 1/4 times n, D, 3n minus 14, E, 21 minus 6n, F, n plus 3 plus 21, G, 1/4 n minus 6, and H, 10w squared divided by 12. This will conclude Lesson 8.1, Relationships Between Quantities. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.